Learn English for beginners. I drink. I like you. You drink. You sleep. I drink water. You drink juice. I drink coffee. You drink milk. I eat. I sleep in the morning. You eat. You sleep in the afternoon. I eat bread. You eat cheese. I eat fish. You eat meat. I sleep at night. I drink coffee and milk. I eat bread and ham. I drink water and juice. I like to study. I drink tea and soda. I eat bread and drink milk. I eat bread and cheese. I eat fish and meat. I eat cheese and you eat ham. I eat cheese and I drink tea. I eat fish and I drink soda. I drink milk and you drink coffee. I eat bread and you eat cheese.